Hello and welcome my fellow Juice developers. SuperSlider normally has this annoying property that when you are trying to sensitive Mousewheel the parameter, it does just not sensitive Mousewheel because it's not implemented. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that. I'm now going to hold CTRL and Mousewheel, and as you can see that moves sensitively, and when I stop holding CTRL it moves normally again. You basically just have to create a new class that is inheriting from slider, and in this class you are overriding the Mousewheel move function. In order to not lose the original functionality of SuperSlider's Mousewheel move function, you have to call the original slider's Mousewheel move function. The arguments that I put in there are the mouse object that is directly given by this Mousewheel move and the Mousewheel details object that I created myself. You have to create your own Mousewheel details object because this one is constant. So in your new Mousewheel object, you are basically asking, is CTRL down right now? If yes, then use the sensitive wheel value, and else use the normal wheel value. And that is now your speed that you're multiplying with delta y. And then you have already modified your Mousewheel details object enough so that you can put it in here. As you can see, normal wheel and sensitive wheel are just two static const x per float values that I put on top so that I can tweak the speed of each mode. In this case, I made normal wheel slightly slower and sensitive wheel a lot slower. And that gives me this behavior for normal wheel and this behavior for sensitive wheel. So please everyone, I would appreciate it a lot if you now implemented sensitive Mousewheel in your plugins. I mean, it isn't even a compromise with any other feature, so you can just add it and your plugins will be slightly better, so why not?